You can see the road is damaged here. While jacket kosa छ? It's mom's choice. Hello guys and welcome to the new vlog. So I hope everything is going well and it's good morning right now. As you all know, I am all alone at my house. So I just woke up and made a cup of tea for me. Today it's my off day, so I don't know what will be my plans, but I'm planning to go to Darjeeling to make some magic videos also. But I will be going somewhere and you are gonna get some motor vlogs also and some other stuffs also. Okay, so be on the video and enjoy the video. And if you are new to the channel, please like, share and subscribe and hit the notification bell and feel free to comment below. Okay, enjoy the video. Okay guys, so I just got ready, right? So now we are moving towards Darjeeling. So I have some work there. Actually I have to give the notes to Janvi, and after that I will be going to Japanese temple for some magic videos. And today with me it's my cameraman who have been lost for some days, but today he's here. Come here. And his name is Soham. Okay, and his name is Soham. So yes, open your helmet. Yeah, this is the effect of opening the schools. Okay. School खोलेर चाहिँ यस्तो भएको छ हैन. I will make the video on that. We have just thought about that. So now we are moving. Yes, see you on the motor vlog. Fueled up my bike. So now we are heading towards Darjeeling. Yes, we are a bit late today, 12 p.m. But yes, we have no time limits. But the thing is, it's winter, so the days are shorter, so it's gonna get dark sooner. But we'll try our best. But first we have to go to Darjeeling, and we are hoping to go towards Japanese temple. And if it will be too much late, then we are not gonna go to Japanese temple. We will be going to Chaurasta backside or a Nightingale Park. Let's see what we will be doing. Everything is random in my vlog, as you guys know. And yes, I will be shooting some magic videos also. So if you wanna check out those videos, magic pranks, comedy videos, you can check it out on my another channel, that is Gorkhali Magician Arpan. So the day today is good for riding, but it's because it's winter, so but the wind we are getting, it's so chilling. It's just pinching our chest and stomach. I had to go to buy a jacket also and a power bank also. Okay, I will be showing you later. That's why we are late. And the thing is, I don't know the exact way to go to Japanese temple, really, because I've never went there on any vehicle. That's why I know that we have to go. I know the way, but I haven't covered all the way through to Japanese temple in any bikes or vehicles. So I have some bad habits. Is that I don't check the air on the tires often. Not only in my bike, also in my truck. So it is a bad habit. I have to check it often, right? Thank God they are not betraying me. They are working properly, even if I am not checking it. Okay, here is a small jam over here because there road is just damaged. You can see the road is damaged here. That's why it's under construction. Ui. Those gravel are the enemies of the bikes, two-wheelers. I can't overtake on turnings. It's very dangerous. So we should not overtake. It's some kind of oil over the road, all over the road. As you guys can see that thing, it's oil, which is very dangerous, especially for, and this area now it's getting dangerous as the temperature gets down and the winter gets more closer. This area gets too much slippery and there will be the thick layer of frost over there. So if those who don't know about that, they are really gonna slip there. I mean, had an accident. Especially it's more dangerous for bikes or two-wheelers. Now we have just reached Johor Bungalow. This is the initial part of the Johor Bungalow. Means I don't know the time. I don't wear watch right now because I used to wear the watch, but after making the tattoo, as you have seen in my hand, that is the name of my Frizu. So if I wear the watch, that watch is gonna cover the tattoo. So that's why I have stopped wearing watch just to make the tattoo visible. I have just bought the power bank. Today I was in so rush that I couldn't charge it. So I charged it for something like 15 minutes and just carried it. If in case I need it, it's gonna work on emergency, that's why. After fully charging it, we are gonna test it how much it will charge my mobile. But for today, and right now we have just reached the Groom. Oops. There is a Groom festival going on the station. Not only Groom station, you can see that on Darjeeling station also. My mask is getting loose, so it's dropping down and it's annoying my nose. One day we will be going there also. I will make a different vlog of Batase Loop. And the funny thing is, I have never been there. I have told in my previous vlogs also. I have never been to Batase. That is Batase Loop. You can see how many riders are there and tourists are there. You can see the mountains from here. So it's very beautiful place to come here. Good viewpoint, and there is a war memorial also and some gardens also, and the best things, the train, the toy train of Darjeeling just loops around that place. That's why it's called Batase Loop. I think I am not that energetic when I am talking in English because it's not my mother tongue or it's not my primary language, so I am not used to it. I don't need to talk in this language every time. That's why I have to get some time to get used to in this language and talk energetically as I talk in my own language, which is Nepali. Okay, so yeah, you can see the mountain Kanchenjunga. I hope you can, right? So this is the beautiful Darjeeling. This is the beautiness of Darjeeling. This is the Queen of Hill. So you can see the people stopping the vehicles to take some photos. So as you all knew that I will be doing all my vlogs in English, right? So please don't hit the hate comments or anything like that, because I am trying to do something new. Okay, yes, my English is not that good, but I will try my best as I know. Okay, so I have to be unique. I can't be same as other vloggers, so I am trying to vlog in English. Okay, now as you guys know that right now I have not got too much subscribers or views on this channel, right? Only something like 5-6 views are going on. Yes, I don't share my channel also, because I want to see how much it grows if you will upload daily. Okay, that's why I'm experimenting. And anyways, but if you will not get too much views or subscribers, you must get demotivated. But I don't know why every day, every morning when I wake up, I get some kind of energy, and inside me it says, no brother, you have to edit and you have to upload, you have to do it daily, then only you can know. So anyways, it can be late sometime, yes, but I upload every day, and I will be uploading every day. Let's see what's in my fate. Okay, so we have just crossed Dali, and right now we are heading towards Kakjhoda or Mary Villa, and that is the famous Tara Devi Mandir. Okay, every Thursday all the devotees, all the people who has some big wishes, they come here. So it is said that if you will come there 3 times in a row with something white, like white flour, white milk. Yes, of course the milk is white. So white flour, milk, and any other thing which is white. So you have to come here 3 times in a row, then the wish will be fulfilled. Okay, so many of them has just claimed that their wish has been fulfilled, and they have just donated so many amount of monies there. Someone have even donated some gold also. So that's why people believe and they come here. So first we have to go to Singamari, where I have to give the school notes to Janvi, and after that we will be going to Japanese temple. Okay, so right now we have just crossed the railway station, for your kind information. And yeah, so from here we can officially say that we have entered Darjeeling market. Okay, so the market starts from here. After crossing the actually I was on the second gear, so the bike was shaking, so I just tried to shift. Yeah, so it's not too much crowdy also. Area is called Bata Line. So this is Darjeeling, and that I-10 is just, I don't know why this I-10 is so slow. Here you have to move fast, because up there you can see the pigeons on the wire. So if you only stand over here, then you know what you're gonna get. You're gonna get some mayonnaise, right? So this is the exact market of Darjeeling. I mean the supermarket and something, and so many vehicles you will get over here, taxi stands, and on the right side that is the police station. Corporation Office, Corporation Directorate, Government of West Bengal. And from here, the left side, that is the old supermarket, and the right side, that is the new supermarket. And left side there is the taxi stand, and the right side there is some parking for bikes. But here you have to park only on that place, where the people will not walk through the footpath. If you park like that, now you're gonna get fined. Police will come and they will just change your tire. So you have to go to the police station, pay some fine, then you can get your bike back. Okay, so this is all stand. This is all the taxi stands for different places. Okay. I just called Janvi to come and collect some notes. So we will just give her the notes, and after that we will rush towards a Japanese temple. Okay. I want to pee. I really want to pee. And the problem here in this market is you can't pee anywhere. You have to pee on some public toilets where you have to pay also. I want to pee, that's why I'm coming this side, because here I think we will get a place to pee. I really want to pee, that's why I'm searching for the place, but I can't get, as you guys can see, I can't get any place where I can pee. Okay, there must be some place on Chitre. It is also one of the tourist spot where you can get so many varieties of Darjeeling teas. So if the tourist comes here, then there must be some place to pee also, right? This is the Chitre number 1, Chitre market. Okay. But as you guys can see, is all the place there is only tourists. Really? यतिर त छ होला नि त हौ, कतै न कतै जग्गा त। तर त खुट्टाले त अम्बो हिमाल हेर नि त्यहाँ पारि। Let's go. This is also a Chitre market. Okay, so I don't know. There are so many tourists over here. So we are returning back, and now we have just reached that Bale Dunga, the rock climbing place. Tenzing Rock. This rock is named after Tenzing Rock. Okay, Tenzing. So you can see the man climbing down the rock. So yes, it's also one of the tourist spot. Ropeway. गरमै भएको check that out. बुझ्छ नबुझी भयो स्ट्यान्ड लाग्यो है and I didn't got time to यो पेज मिलाउनु चाहिँ भ्याइन हो you do it yourself ल फोनमा हेरेर मिलाउने सब प्रिन्ट गरेको पढेको चाहिँ हुनुपर्छ सम्प्रदा पक्का चौरस्तातिर त भेट्दैन होला ए okay, and she is Janvi, as you guys have saw on previous vlog also. Lu ramari पढ्नु बाई बाई ज्याकेट कस्तो छ इट्स मम्स चोइस यस्तो खाले किन्नु भन्यो हो ठिकै थियो दोकानमा मात्रै थियो साडी लाउँदा हुन्छ नि ल ओके बाई so we have just completed our first task chain लगायो बैग को